here. Vile tu video ina flow, you just flow with the video, enjoy the scenes. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And also feel free to suggest, to make any suggestions anywhere that you guys would want me to visit next. Just the comment section is open. Just post, just sema tu, sema tu. Anywhere you'd want us to visit next, we just visit. You just comment up, and you never know. You never know. So on my right, maybe on your left is the Central Bank of Kenya. Huku ndo pesa ya Kenya uweko. On my right, you see how guarded it is. Itakuwa guarded vibaya sana sana. So so guys, remember, this is the only place where you can find raw and edited street views. POV, the best of the best, I'm telling you guys. Sidani, I don't think anyone. These are the best of the best POV videos. And we shall keep on dishing them out bila uoga. So guys, remember to like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Karibuni to the network guys. Subscribe guys. Na pia usisahau kucomment, uniambie unaweza taka tuende wapi next. Unaweza taka tutue wapi next. I don't know, maybe kwa hii series, hizi videos, I want to go and try if I can access the crossing ile yenye ilichumbwa pale Uhuru Highway next to kanisa ya Commander. I want to see if I can get there and if I'll be allowed to go inside. You know, just to see what is inside, to see if it's complete. Kuona kama if it has been completed. So let's go, let's get it, let's go and see. The reason why I love using this POV camera, in as much as I know it's a bit shaky, is that it is less intimidating to the people. By that I mean it is not on people's faces sana. So before the people notice. Before the people notice that they are being, that someone is on me, it's already gone. I'm already past them. I want to see if it's possible for me to cross from that underpass. I want to see if the underpass is complete. Then we come back. I have a few videos I want to make in town. Yeah, then we'll call it a day. I don't know what size to do, you know. Well, inakaanika bado ijaisha, so so the underpass looks to be incomplete. Sijui wanangojea nini to launch it. Maybe you can tell me, but in the meantime we shall cross and get to the other side there, and then we come back. I want to cross, then I cross again. The only thing that is here is this Kashedia, and then they have a place for people to cross. But I think once the under bridge has been complete, things will be much different. Tumekula bahati, tumepata kama now we cross again as the Dewey gang anavuka. Crossing in the streets of Nairobi, you need to have the heart of a lion. Ama utamodoro. So I want us to cross to the other side, then we go back to town. As you can see, the construction works are still ongoing.